Meteorologist Jeremy Lewan joins us now in the backyard. Jeremy, quite the outfit change as we head out into the backyard, but you got to dress for the temperatures.
Absolutely. You said it perfectly, Jack. You have to have all the layers on and all your exposed skin covered up. You can get frostbite in just 20 minutes with the temperatures we're experiencing right now. Yes, I'm dressed for the tundra, but so should you. If you have less than 5 layers on the top and less than 5 layers on the bottom, you shouldn't be outside for more than an extended period of time. And remember, I'm only out here for 4 minutes to give you your forecast, and then I come back inside and warm up. So if you have to spend extended periods of time outside, again, make sure you are bundled up. You do not want to be subject to hypothermia or frostbite, which could happen very quickly with the winds that we have too. Now, I want to show you first our high temperatures today. Very misleading. 27 was the high in Williamsport, 23 in Scranton, 20 in Mount Pocono. I'm sure you're saying, Jeremy, when did that happen? Just after midnight, folks, and then temperatures tanked throughout the morning and into the afternoon. We have not been more than 5 degrees here in Scranton since before sunrise. See how quickly temperatures dropped throughout the early morning hours, and we've been in the single digits ever since. There's a live view at Wilkes-Barre. You can see the snow every once in a while blowing past the camera shaking as a result of those winds gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. If you're planning on driving tonight, watch out for slick spots and also watch out for blowing snow. Although it's not actively coming out of the sky, could end up reducing visibility if it blows right off of a field that is open and the winds are blowing across it. Current temperature right now here in the backyard, just 1 degree, with those north-northwest winds at 14 miles per hour, feeling more like -17. So temperatures on the thermometer, 5 degrees below zero in Storuca. Same for Thornhurst. We're 3 below in Bear Creek Township and Lake Harmony, 2 below in Lopez, 2 in Forkston, 8 in Lewisburg, a little bit warmer there in Selinsgrove at 10, and Williamsport's currently sitting at 7. Now look at these wind gusts. Some of these sustained wind gusts are downright unbelievable. 61 was the highest recorded wind gust today in Mount Pocono. Scranton hit a 52 mile per hour wind gust. Williamsport, 48 mile per hour wind gusts, and now sustained winds over 10 for pretty much everyone. Mount Pocono still has sustained winds at 31 miles per hour. So you want to factor in those winds. Boy, it is cold out there, feeling like below zero for almost every single one of our cities, feeling like 32 below in Mount Pocono right now, feeling like 16 below in Storuca, feeling like 12 below in Dew Shore, and the coldest wind chill that we could find, I called up the National Weather Service in Binghamton, in our area was -33 today. That was set at 9:53 this morning. The air temperature in Mount Pocono was -3 at the time, with a sustained wind at 40 miles per hour. With wind gusts like that and wind chills like this, again, frostbite can set in very quickly. That's why the National Weather Service still has us under that extreme cold warning for the entirety of northeastern and central Pennsylvania out to near Pittsburgh for almost, now it's extended for all of New Jersey, including Philadelphia and southeastern Pennsylvania, out through Long Island, all of Connecticut, most of Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire. Everybody's seeing this extreme cold. And as we go throughout the rest of the night tonight, those wind chills are continuing to be 15 to 20, if not 30 degrees below zero. And all day through your Sunday, temperatures will not feel like above 0 degrees, despite temperatures on the thermometer being about 10 in parts of the area. Then headed throughout the evening hours, Sunday into Monday, still feels like temperatures below zero. It's not until Monday afternoon that we start to get a bit of a thaw, with feels like temperatures slightly above zero and actual thermometer readings in the 20s. Temperature trends over the next 20 hours or so. We're going down below zero once again tonight. This night might be even colder than the prior night because we're expecting clearer skies, and that allows heat to escape to space. So we could get down to -4. I'm forecasting -4 here in our backyard. Mountains easily -10. Selinsgrove could get down to -10. And then tomorrow temperatures to near 10 degrees across the region. Winds are going to continue to be gusty, especially on the hilltops, 40 to 50 miles per hour. Throughout the morning tomorrow and into the afternoon hours. They start to die back for central Pennsylvania around the afternoon and into the evening, but throughout the overnight, still gusty Sunday into Monday across the hilltops of the Poconos. It's not until Monday afternoon that everybody sees subsiding winds. And finally, we're calm by Monday evening. Here are some quick tips for you as we continue to deal with this extreme cold. You want to have a full tank of gas in your car, because if your car breaks down, you want to at least be warm inside the car. That's why it's always good to have another layer of clothes in the car too. Take steps to prevent your pipes from freezing. Drip the pipes. Because of course that could be a mess. Keep your pets warm and safe, and if there is wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour tonight, there is a chance for power outages. There are currently about 500 folks right now without power in parts of Monroe County, so it's very important to have a backup source of heating for your home. Right now, clear skies across a lot of the area. You have the Arctic blast in place, some Finger Lake snow across parts of northeastern Pennsylvania. That could happen again tomorrow with some additional cloud cover in northeastern PA, but most of us seeing sunshine throughout the entirety of your Sunday despite those frigid cold temperatures. Jack, we could see the freezing mark once again by Tuesday, and then we stick around with the freezing mark on Wednesday too. That's something to look forward to. That would break an 18-day-long stretch of temperatures below 32, and that would make it the 6th longest stretch with temps below the freezing mark in Scranton's recorded history.
Well, Jeremy, as they say, 5th is the best, and I think we can break that record this week, hopefully.
Yeah, I hope so too. We don't want to get any longer. We want it to get warmer.
Warmer, exactly. Jeremy, thank you very much.
Yep.